Good morning, everyone, from me and my bedhead, and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It's about to be a busy start to the day here because Connor and I are flying to San Francisco today. We have to leave around like 1:30ish and it's 9 now, so I have done zero prep for this, like zero, literally nothing at all. But I did get a lot of work done yesterday, so that's good. I'm gonna pop up my computer and go through emails right now. I also just finished shooting a little product shot for my client. Pretty sure by the time this is up, the actual post will be up, so I'll put it on the screen now. And it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with how that turned out. So got that done, and now I'm gonna finish cleaning that up because I sort of like scattered some oats around to like fill in some of the negative space. See, like all of this through here. So need to clean that up. Look at how cute this is. Should we actually try this? Why not, right? This is a company called Oats Overnight. They are partnering with my client, so I made some. It's like a peanut butter chocolate flavor or something, which sounds great. So I'm not a big oats girl, so I don't even know if this is really for me, but I'm actually nervous. Tastes very good. It sort of tastes like cookie dough, like raw cookie dough. Okay, and then this way. And now I'm just gonna dump it in the trash. Starting to figure out what I want to bring with me to SF, and I do want to bring this sweater, which I love so much, but I got a hole in it. So here's the thing, I just tested to make sure that this wouldn't look weird, and I can wear it backwards, like it looks exactly the same forwards or backwards, because I'm gonna stitch up this hole, but I don't think it's gonna look like great to like have it right in the front, in the middle, but maybe, and then I can just wear it, but just in case it doesn't. I'm not like a pro here, you know? So, but I love this sweater, and so I really do want to try to like salvage it if I can. This is from Zara last year. It's just so freaking cute. I don't even remember how I got this hole, but it's very annoying to me. What'd you say?
I like that turtleneck.
Me too. Want to like, well, it's already ruined, I guess, so if I ruin it more, it's not like it's a loss.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous.
You got this, baby.
Oh my god, I think this is gonna look good. Low-key. Basically what I'm doing is trying to run the stitches just through like the back part of the knitting. That way, because I have it inside out, and so that way when I flip it, you know, the right way, hopefully it just like, you can't even see that there are stitches there. If I pull this off, I'm going to be so freaking proud of myself. I can't even tell you guys.
I'm sure you don't want coffee, baby.
Yeah, I'm sure, thank you.
Okay.
He's so sweet. Okay, it like looks pretty good. Like you can tell that there was a line there. I could use a couple more stitches, but it's looking pretty good. I think this was successful, you guys. I've been putting off doing this for a while because I've been nervous, but yeah, it's good. Now we just have to close off the stitch. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let me see if you guys can see. Just right there. That's where it is. Like there's a little bit of extra texture there, but it looks pretty good. Let's try it on. So this is it actually like front ways, and I feel like I could actually wear it like this. Like there is a tiny bit of texture right there, but I feel like it's sort of hard to notice. And if it bothers me, I'll just turn it around, and then my hair actually like covers this, so good to go. Success. Sweater's so warm and comfy, I don't even want to take it off. So the next thing that I have to figure out as far as packing goes is this is my first time traveling with a carry-on while having my curly hair. So typically like I didn't have to have that many hair products with me. Like it was fine to travel and just like use whatever because my hair was straight. And now that is certainly not the case. I'm not gonna wash my hair while I'm there because it'll be fine. And even if I do have to wash with like their shampoo and conditioner one time, that will be fine. I'm more worried about styling products. I do not have small sizes of like anything. I'm gonna bring my Olaplex number 6 because this is travel size, so easy enough. Look, I have 2 travel size Olaplex 6. Maybe I'll bring this one. Travel size micellar water, that's good. So let me think about what products I even want to bring. I'm gonna leave the Bondi Boost at home. It'll be fine if I skip that for a couple of days. I'm more concerned about like some gel and some leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm worried about. So for the gel, I feel like I could empty out, like I have a ton of these like travel size products that just like brands will send to me that honestly I'm just like not going to use. So I feel like I can empty out one of these and put gel in it. But I do not have any spray bottles. Okay, hear me out. So I empty this bottle so it's just totally empty, and then like they can't yell at me for having too big of liquids because it's just an empty bottle. But I bring a travel size conditioner because this is just water and conditioner mixed together. So I bring a travel size conditioner. When I get there, I can like make my concoction in this bottle and then I'll just dump it before we leave. I feel like that's my best bet at this point because I just really feel like I need some sort of leave-in conditioner that I can spray in my hair. It's sort of a waste of product, I feel bad, but I just need this bottle. Better than just never using it. It's been sitting around forever. Please excuse our messy bathroom. Squeezing as much of it out as possible. The water's running pretty clear right now. It's pretty good. I'm literally just letting the water, oh, sorry, I have to keep it sort of low. I'm letting the water just like go into the bottle and just spray back out. It's the best way to clean out bottles like this. I'm literally letting it just do this. I think we're in good shape. Bottle's all cleared out now. So now we're just gonna put some gel in there. That will be good. Pretty proud of all our creative problem solving, guys. Now back to trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna pack clothes wise. All right, we got some stuff picked out here. We're going fall vibes, of course, because SF is cold. These white pants clearly scream fall. My white pants are super see-through, but I've discovered that if you wear these pink leggings underneath them, you can't tell that the leggings are there. It gets you even warmer and you don't have to worry about the pants being see-through, so gotta bring these. Cute little trousers. Very excited to be able to start rocking some trousers again as the fall weather starts. That's just like fall fashion because fall weather doesn't start here until like January. And then leather pants. I don't know if I'll actually wear these because they're not super comfortable, but they are really cute, so I'm gonna bring them. And then a pair of jeans just for something more casual. I have a white bodysuit here. Just like basic. You guys have seen me wear this 10 million times, I'm sure. Bringing this really cute bodysuit. It's like lacy corset. I don't know. Anyway, little just orange tank. I love this color in the fall and it goes great with those trousers. Plain white tank. Again, just nice basic to have. Bringing this green sweater. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm thinking like this with those white pants would be beautiful. Pretty sure I'm gonna bring this sweater as well, just a little tan neutral sweater. Of course, the white turtleneck, very excited for this. This is seriously the softest sweater ever too, kills me. And then had to bring this oversized blazer. Oh, you know what else I wanna bring? That new like orange skirt that I got, let me find it. Pants, sweaters, so much freaking room, so annoying. Okay, these little tops. Okay, got my suitcase all packed up. Pretty sure I have everything, so that's good. Now for my carry-on, I'm gonna be using this backpack because if you guys recall, this bag, which I've been using forever as a travel bag and just like throw all bag, broke. So I need a new tote bag very badly. I think I might like splurge on like the LV Never Full, but we'll see. I also have my vaccination card here because you have to be vaccinated to enter most places in San Francisco, which is amazing. Very excited about that. Yes, me too. We also have our digital vaccination cards, which I'm pretty sure will admit us in anywhere. Basically, California set up this whole digital system, which is really cool. So it's just like on our phones in our Apple wallets, which is amazing. But I definitely want to just have the actual vaccination card on me just in case. They also said that they would accept photos of vaccination cards. So there's a lot of options there, which is really nice. Yeah, so in my carry-on, I'm just gonna throw like my chargers, my laptop, just like some basic stuff like that. But we are pretty much all packed up now.
Wow, the onion rings are good.
Good. Connor and I just popped out for a quick bite to eat before we have to go to the airport.
A light meal.
A light meal. We went to Library House. I got the KBBQ wrap. Connor got a burger. Look at this.
If you can see it, past
Onion
the
ring tower. Amazing. And a beer to kick off vacation. Cheers.
Cheers, baby. Business trip.
Business trip.
Little cat, I'm gonna miss you so much. You be good, alright? We love you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. extremely early because it's like so empty in here. It's actually crazy. So got myself a glass of red wine. Connor did the same. Cheers. We'll see how many drinks we make it through before our flight an hour from now. Such a small plane right now, you guys. It is tiny as heck. But we are about to be off to San Francisco. Your little local flag, 414. This airport is so nice, so modern. Very pretty.
Very clean.
So excited we're in San Francisco. Excuse me? Alright, SF. Well, we made it to our hotel and quickly just got ready and got changed. We are staying at the Signature in San Francisco. Just like a little kitschy
3-star.
We booked it super last minute, just looking for something like cheap and quick and easy, so it's a good pick for you if those are your requirements, like they were ours. Now we are heading out. All right, out at our first bar in SF. Connor picked this place out. I think it's called Trademark.
Yeah.
Really cute little sports bar. They have like skee ball in the back. We definitely are gonna play a little skee ball before we leave, so I'll
Literally
show you.
was right around the corner. So.
Yeah, so great. And then after this, we're gonna head over closer to where we're having dinner, just like, yeah, to wait it out there. Just got a little tequila soda.
Taco Tuesday.
Cheers. Both of us are so tired. We got like very little sleep last night, so it's gonna be a very low-key night here, I think.
Not a lot of sleep for a while.
For a while. So they have this big back area here where they have Super Shot, which we definitely have to play. Some skee ball. And then they have one of these like, I don't know what this is called, punching, boxing things. And then this cute little backyard area out here. This is exactly the kind of place that Connor and I would hang out all the time at if we lived here.
The backboard really helps too if you want to use that. Yeah! There you go. 2 in a row. Uno mas. I'm loving the tennis grunts. Hello everybody. Me and my friend over there are just chilling right now. Jill asked me to do a little vlog clip because she's taking a little run to the little girl's room right now, but we've been just grabbing a drink for the last little bit before we go to Chubby Noodle for our dinner, which a friend showed us on the last trip here, and we're going to be heading out there right after this. But we've been hanging at a street right down, hanging at a bar right down the street. There we go. And yeah, they were a little hostile to my Canadianism for some reason. But overall, it seems like a good little drinking hole, so I'll show you around. And there you go.
Connor just went to the bathroom and we were just finishing up our beer here. We are at Church Key. Sort of weird experience here. I'll try to remember to tell you about it later. But anyway, the beer was delicious. They're like a beer spot specifically. So if you like beer, come here. This was very good. Now we are headed to Chubby Noodle, which is one of my favorite places in San Francisco for delicious noodles. So good. Their fried chicken is amazing. Oh, so much good stuff to enjoy. I'm so excited. Okay, done that. Look how beautiful. It looks so pretty. This little view here is so nice. Keep me warm. All right, into Chubby Noodle we go. Thank you so much. All right, we're at one of my favorite places in San Francisco, Chubby Noodle. Very excited. We have some sake here, cold Nagoya sake, and our first dish just arrived. We got some poke with some shrimp chips. It's so good.
Wife's got a nice big piece in there. Look how it hugs them perfectly.
Okay, more food has arrived. So we have these spicy garlic noodles over here. This is the salt and pepper shrimp, and these are the Szechuan green beans. And I've been dreaming of these green beans ever since the first time I had them. I cannot tell you how good these are.
Dreaming
which I know
and
is
talking
crazy.
about them.
Constantly.
Yeah, constantly.
They're so good.
But they're worth the hype.
Oh my god, they're amazing, you guys. I love them so much. They're so flavorful.
And this is our appy right here.
Yeah, and then our poke, which we're loving.
Okay.
Everything here is so good. Yeah.
That just came out.
Yes. Pour us some more sake.
When is it?
Yeah.